everyone. We are doing a new video on a few crypto coins due to Trump's inauguration. One is Melania USDT, and I'm going to show you guys the Trump official coin next. You can see there's not a lot of history, so these are going to be quick videos as to where we expect some kind of movement with the technical analysis, with our leading indicators, trying to see where we can have the lagging indicators meet up. So on a 4-hour chart, you can see Melania just basically sold off. And I have a fib here basically to see where we can expect some kind of reaction. And already on an hourly, I'm looking for some resistance to build up around $5.50. If you turn on the fibs, you can see that around $2.76 is where I expect another level of support. If we can get that, we obviously are not looking for zero yet, but that is a possibility. Since it's a new coin, it can go dig down really low, close to zero before reversal. But I think the First Lady has a little bit of oomph still left since it's a new coin. We can see between $2 and the $5.50 if anything happens. If this is a true rounding bottom, by the way, if this is making a head and shoulder right here, this is why I'm making this video. It could be making a bull flag right here for that breakout above $5.50 to go into that 728, find some support around $5, and then actually do that breakout into that $10. This is definitely a possibility, so keep that in mind moving forward. I'm going to save that image for you guys in the chat. Oops. That way we can keep in touch with this one moving forward. I'll even download it so I can post it on YouTube for you guys. All right. Now, aside from that, we can't really expect too much out of this. It's too new. Volume is decreasing on the buying and selling, so it's going sideways in this range. Between $2 and $5.50 is what I would say. Underneath $2.76, I would be very cautious and wait for some kind of consolidation. And above $5.50, you should be aware that $7 is that resistance. And above that $7.20, you can see this was the last low over here. Right above this level, you should see it just quickly move on up to $11. So that's Melania. Okay, let's see how that plays out moving forward. Now let's go look at Mr. Trump's official coin. First of all, let me turn this off. On MEXC. I don't know why they didn't have it on Melania on MEXC, but maybe MEXC will get it and you'll see some volume. Here's Trump. It started off low, went really, really high, and now, started off low, went high. And what I like about this coin is it's actually sitting on support. Like this level right here, around $24 is decent support because that was the gap, and we actually are now making higher lows above that gap. And this right here looks like a bull flag breakout, inverse head and shoulder bottom. So yeah, everything looks good for upside continuation on this. Here are the fibs that I have drawn out. Obviously, if we get a buy at $22, that's great. But you have these EMAs right now showing you resistance around $39, $40. It's not until we get above $41 that we get to even test into this resistance at 44. Sorry, you guys probably can't even see the values. There you go. Until we get into this resistance of 44, and maybe we get another kickback around 40, and then that breakout probably into the low 50s. So this is something, it's consolidating already. This is what we want to see, but it's a healthy consolidation and it's bullish on support. You could even see this is the inverse head and shoulder that Melania Trump is doing as well. So this can just break out above here, use this as support, and then really, really get up there. And this is like Trump's first day in office. So as he gets America rallied, this should rally with it. And yeah, keep that in mind that this is looking good for upside continuation, regardless of how new this asset is and how politicized it is still looking good. Oh, I saw the supply. I think it's like 1 billion coin supply. I think they've only released about 10% of the supply, so be aware that you will be devalued as more coins are released. But as the supply is sitting the way it is, you can, obviously look for some upside. And I would highly, highly suggest looking at the fundamentals of these coins. I have not looked at any white papers or fundamentals. I'm just going purely off technical analysis. So please don't blame me on that. That's basically all I have for you guys. We have to see if this thing is going to run down into the accumulation zone in this gap, or if we're going to go sideways and up. And the other thing was Dixie is very, very, very healthy. I'm waiting for this to like give you a sign of weakness for us to get some upside. Otherwise, if we're both just going sideways, I think the next major, major thing will be jobless reports or the Fed FOMC meeting, if they're going to cut or not, would be the next big, big data to consider on if we are in a healthy environment for upside or not. And that's basically all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and share these videos with other individuals that would appreciate it. And if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on my Discord server. Link to the servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So guys, thank you so much and have a great day. Talk to you soon. Be safe out there.